Oh boy, Creatto, things that light up, things with LEDs. And we're going to talk to Ted to tell us what this is.
Yeah, Creatto is a brand new light up crafting system, and you can build all these cool sculptures and then illuminate them with LED lights. And there's different styles so you can build a moose or you can build an elephant.
Now, are there plans in the box? Can we walk over to this table here? I'm going to have Dennis follow us over here.
There's an instruction manual that comes with it. There's also YouTube videos that show you step by step how to assemble each one. If you don't want to follow along in the manual, you can watch the video. And you build all these cute animal models and other shapes. So like in this kit, you can build a moose, a beetle, a tree, a dinosaur. And basically you're just using two simple shapes to form the outside of these structures. It's a square shape and then this cross shape, and they go together in a very...
So every animal that we've seen are just a combination of these?
Yeah, basically just these two shapes and then a few other embellishment pieces. So like each model, this one has antlers, for example, for the moose. And they just go together like almost like weaving. So very simple connection mechanism like that. And then it's a very durable connection. You can fold the pieces to get different shapes out of them, and then you just keep assembling. So it's a great combination of a building set combined with a crafting kit, and also in the end you get this great lamp that you display, or like a lantern type item that you can display in your room.
Now, are the lights included?
The lights are included, yeah. In the smaller sets you get a shorter strand of LEDs, and then in the larger one, it's up to, I think, about 100 LEDs that come with it.
Wow. And they're battery operated?
Battery operated for the 3 smaller ones, and then those are on 2 AA batteries. And then for the 2 larger kits, those are plug-in electrical.
Oh my goodness! What's the biggest kit?
The biggest.
We're going to walk back over here.
And the shark and the unicorn. So these are $30 retail. And then the middle one is a kitty cat. That's a $20 retail.
And are they built up here so we can see what they look like?
Yeah, this is the shark.
Oh, that's the shark.
Yeah.
Is great.
Shark is that's basically the favorite, it seems like.
and the shark kit cost?
$30.
$30. And the littlest kit?
$10. So you can get started and see if you like the system with just a $10 intro price point.
And then I assume if you had a bunch of kits, they would be all interchangeable and you could create something of your own.
Very open-ended building system. So once you get the hang of it by following the instructions in one of the kits, you can really let your mind go wild and build whatever you want. So yeah, we really hope people embrace the system and start building their own creations with it.
I like that. Creatto. Who knew?